what's up everybody? Today we are at Signature Reps and I want you to see this new Model Y that's here. You've seen many Model Ys right now and they're all great. You've seen all the specs, but this one's different. This one's already customized. It has air suspension, it has custom wheels, it has a custom coloring scheme outside. It's a beautiful blue, so you can see back there behind me. We're gonna take a tour of the vehicle, show you what they've done to it, and you're gonna see a really crazy spoiler that's on the back. So join me, let's check it out. Okay, so we're finally here with the 2020 Model Y Performance Edition at Signature Reps. This is owned by Signature Reps, and as you can see, it has a custom wrap. It's a beautiful blue that they installed to change the look of the vehicle. They also added air suspension. That's why it's so low to the ground. And then they're sporting this 22-inch Vossen wheels. As you can see, they look amazing on it. And you can see how low the ride is right now because it's completely dropped. Besides that, this Model Y also has an Unplugged Performance spoiler on the back. It's actually a performance proven on the track spoiler. This spoiler is made of carbon fiber, and even though it was designed for the Model 3, it actually looks really, really good on the Model Y. So as you can see, because the Model Y doesn't have any chrome accents, the carbon fiber spoiler looks really, really nice with those accents, with those black accents. And you can see how sporty and nice the ride is. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna check out how the suspension goes up and down with the system that they installed. As you can see, the door handles have also been covered with the vinyl in the same blue as the rest of the car, and they almost disappear within the door surface. It looks really, really good. This Model Y also has an Alcantara headliner, black Alcantara. very roomy. It has a lot of space up back here on the back seats. It's really nice. It's wider, definitely wider. And this headliner, it's incredible. It looks really, really nice. This Alcantara fits it really, really good. So my friends here at Signature Wraps are always doing really cool stuff with their cars. You can see here, this is a beautiful car. And I just wanted to showcase what they're doing because anyone in the South Florida area can come here and do this kind of work. So come with me and let's just go around the car and check it out. It's a really cool vinyl wrap. This is a crazy blue, you can see here, right? The wheels are also like really, really nice. They're 22-inch wheels, Vossen wheels. The one customization they did here was door handles. And then of course you can see here the spoiler. Really awesome spoiler. Carbon fiber, this is an Unplugged Performance spoiler. Overall, it's a beautiful car, as you can see. And yeah, just wanted to show you the vehicle. If anyone of you is in the South Florida area or even North Orlando, you want to come down to South Miami, hang out for a weekend or something and come check out the place once everything is back to normal, you can do so. You're not going to regret it. They do really good work customizing Teslas, they specialize in Teslas. So there you have it.
So Rafael, here it is, 2020 Tesla Model Y Performance. Originally Tesla blue with white interior, or black interior. So we did the 3M Satin Shimmering Ocean color. We did black Alcantara headliner. Did the white center dash, or center console. We did Alcantara on here. We did a performance dash insert. We're gonna end up doing seats eventually. Right now we're not doing anything right now, so we have our full air ride suspension on it. We did 22-inch wheels from Vossen. They are the new hybrid forged 4Ts, 22-inch, 10.5 in the back, 9.5 up front. And then the cool things that we've done with our air suspension, we got our Panasonic lithium battery, rechargeable battery for our air tank for the air ride system. Some of the other stuff that we've done to it, we got Expel Prime XR Black 35% windshield, 5% side, 70% back, 20% full roof. We did tint the full roof. It does get pretty hot, so we did tint it. We did 20% on it. I didn't do the back. We just have 70% on the back, no tint on the back because it already comes tinted. We have the new Unplugged Performance track tested rear spoiler. It's pretty much it for right now. Just did our basic customization that we always do at Signature Customs.
So talk to me about that spoiler. Like, what's so?
So I don't know about this. I don't know all the specs of this right now. So this is from Ben from Unplugged Performance. If you go on to their website, you'll be able to read all about it. It is a track tested spoiler for downforce, full carbon fiber gloss, dry carbon fiber braces, fully adjustable.
So this is actually functional.
This is actual functional by you adjusting it. Yep. So we're gonna end up eventually doing the calipers, maybe a different color. We're gonna do some fun stuff with the seats. So some fun things, typically what we do on every one of our cars that come around here, fun stuff.
How long does it take to do something like this to a vehicle?
So from start to finish, probably 5 days, 5-6 business days. Start on a Monday, be done by Saturday.
So wrap, Alcantara.
Wrap,
wheels,
Alcantara, tint,
suspension.
wheels, yep. Yeah,
Okay.
yep, absolutely.
So if anyone wants to reach out to you guys and get more information,
Yeah.
get a quote, how can they
Absolutely. The best way to do it is Signature Custom Wraps and Coatings. Look us up online under wrapmytesla.com. 954-292-1298. You can get a hold of Charlie, and Charlie will set everything up for you. You can come in and look at our facility. We have a 3D rendering machine, so you can pick up any color you want and put it on your car. We can do the chrome delete. We can add wheels, window tint, see it in different views. A lot of good stuff.
Awesome. Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.
For everything.
Thank you.
All right.